Welcome to our comprehensive guide on making money with Etoro. Etoro is a social trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various financial instruments, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. To get started, you need to create an account on the Etoro website or mobile app and deposit funds into your account. Once you have set up your account, you can start exploring the platform and learning about the different types of investments available. Etoro offers a range of financial instruments, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. You can browse through the various markets, view real-time prices, and analyze charts to make informed investment decisions. One of the unique features of Etoro is its social trading aspect. You can follow and copy the trades of other successful investors, known as popular investors, and learn from their strategies. This feature allows you to diversify your portfolio and potentially increase your earnings. To make money on Etoro, you need to have a solid understanding of the markets and the risks involved. It is essential to develop a trading strategy, set clear goals, and manage your risk exposure. You can use various tools and features on the platform, such as stop-loss orders and take-profit orders, to limit your losses and lock in profits. Etoro also offers a practice account, known as a virtual portfolio, where you can test your trading skills and strategies without risking real money. This feature is ideal for beginners who want to learn the ropes and gain confidence before investing with real funds. In terms of fees, Etoro charges a spread on each trade, which is the difference between the buy and sell prices. The platform also charges overnight fees on certain instruments, such as cryptocurrencies and commodities. It is crucial to understand the fee structure and factor it into your trading strategy. To maximize your earnings on Etoro, it is essential to stay up to date with market news and trends. You can use various resources, such as the Etoro newsfeed and market analysis tools, to stay informed and make data-driven decisions. In conclusion, making money on Etoro requires a combination of knowledge, skills, and strategy. By understanding the platform, developing a solid trading plan, and managing your risk exposure, you can potentially increase your earnings and achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay informed, adapt to market changes, and continuously learn and improve your trading skills to succeed on Etoro.